noticing the light on the road, still here, nothing unfolding. Snow on the windshield, passing and gone. No rush tonight, just moving along the trail. Already noticing hands on the wheel, breathe in the chest. Nothing to fix, nothing to guess. This moment, this moment. Snow on the windshield, falling in time. Lights moving slowly, one line at a time. Breathe in the silence, hands feel the wheel. Nothing is pulling, nothing to feel. The road isn't asking for more than this, just staying awake in the quiet drip. Snow without urgency, still aware, moving but gently, already there. Snow without urgency, no need to know, just staying present, letting it go. Tires on pavement, builded and low. Every reflection softens and slows. Streetlights behind me fade as they pass. Nothing to hurry, nothing to grasp. The night keeps breathing at its own pace. I don't need answers, I don't need space. Snow without urgency, still aware, moving but gently, already there. This moment, no sound. This moment, I'm steady, feet on the ground. Snow without urgency, still here. Snow without urgency, I'm clear. The road feels even under my hands. Every direction already planned. No second guessing, no need to steer. The night is open and I'm clear. Nothing is louder than what I see. Everything moving along with me. Quiet alignment, still awake. Every small motion, easy to take. Quiet alignment, nothing to prove. I stay right here as the lights move. Snow keeps falling, same gentle pace. The car keeps breathing, time finds its place. I don't lean forward, I don't fall back, just holding steady on this track. No correction, no command. I trust the road, I trust my hands. Quiet alignment, still aware. Moving together, everywhere. Quiet alignment, nothing to add, nothing missing, nothing bad. Yeah, this feels right. This feels right. Quiet alignment, I stay here. Quiet alignment, everything's clear. Lights at the edges, passing me by. Nothing I'm chasing, nothing I tried. Reflections moving out of my sight. I don't look straight, I let them slide. I don't hold focus, I let it spread. Everything's softer around my head. Peripheral light, still aware. keeps remembered, buried deep. Snow keeps falling off to the side. Nothing in front, I need to guide. The road stays centered, all on its own. I trust the motion I've always known. Peripheral light, still awake. Nothing demanding every mistake. Peripheral light, soft and slow. I don't lean in, I let it go. I see it, I don't need it. I see it, I don't need it. Peripheral light, still here. Peripheral light, everything's clear. Hands on the center, eyes on the road. Everything's steady, nothing to hold. Lines stay even under the wheels. I don't lean forward, I don't conceal. No small corrections, no need to try. The road keeps opening right where I drive. Hold the lane, still aware, moving steady everywhere. Hold the lane, nothing shifts. I stay present in the drift. Snow keeps falling, same quiet speed. Nothing ahead that I need. Lights keep passing, same gentle way. I don't push time, I don't delay. No pull to the left, no pull to the right. Everything balanced in this life. Hold the lane, still awake. Every small motion easy to take. Hold the lane, nothing to prove. I stay centered as the road moves right here. Side streets breathing under the snow. Houses stay quiet, soft yellow glow. One light still on somewhere inside. I don't imagine, I just drive by. Nothing calls out, nothing pulls near. I stay moving, I stay clear. Back roads breathing, still aware, moving softly everywhere. Back roads breathing, same slow pace. I don't linger, I don't chase. Tires roll gently, no sound to keep. Steps on the sidewalk, already asleep. Snow keeps landing, same small way. Nothing to follow, nothing to stay. The night feels human, not too close, just enough to let it go. Back roads breathing, still awake. Every small turn, easy to take. Back roads breathing, nothing new. I stay present, passing through, just passing, just passing. Back roads breathing, still here. Back roads breathing, everything's near. I don't lean forward, I don't hold back. The road keeps opening, track by track. Lines come and go without my say. I let the motion find its way. No tight grip, no second guess. I don't direct it, I say yes. Let the road decide, still aware, moving softly everywhere. Let the road decide, I don't steer, I stay with motion, I stay here. keeps choosing where to land. I don't argue, I don't plan. Lights find their places, fade and return. I don't rush, I don't learn. No command, no reply. I don't question, passing by. Let the road decide, still away. Every small moment, easy to take. Let the road decide, nothing forced. I move with time, not against its course. I follow, I follow. Let the road decide, still here. Let the road decide.